Today I am presenting the topic of key point of Macbeth, paper number 101, literature of the Elizabethan and Restoration Age. Full title of this play is The Tragedy of Macbeth, written by William Shakespeare. This is the tragedy play written in English language in 1606 England. Date of first publication is First Folio edition 1623. Publisher of this play is John Hemmings and Henry Condell. Setting of time the Middle Ages, specifically the 11th century. Setting of place is various location in Scotland and also England. Next slide. Major conflicts, the struggle within Macbeth between his ambition and his sense of right and wrong, the struggle between the murderers and represented by Macbeth and Lady Macbeth, the best interest of nation representation by Malcolm and Macduff. Macbeth is initially admirable war hero and pushed by Lady Macbeth to hasten the fulfillment of the witch's prophecy. Macbeth struggled with the decision to murder for personal gain. Ambition motives him to commit the unthinkable. Next slide. Good versus evil. The witches represent evil and evil doings. Lady Macbeth calls the evil to remove her femininity. Macbeth struggles between good and evil thoughts while he awaits to King Duncan. From there, his evil nature truly develops. Duncan and Banquo represent character of good nature. The forces of good overthrew evil. Macbeth allows the evilness to grow within him, which allows ambition to take control of his life. Due for the evilness that has started to control his life, he prepares to kill the Duncan, the man who has given him everything to his credit to fulfill his ambition and become king. Kingship. Duncan is a good king and represented by most. Duncan follows all courtly tradition. Duncan does, however, have flaws. Macbeth fails to follow courtly tradition. Macbeth become a Trent. King Edward represents the ideal king. Malcolm is the rightful heir to the throne. Kingship in Macbeth. One of the ways Shakespeare explored the idea of kingship through Macbeth's action, he demonstrated the traits that go against the divine right of God as he takes counsel from the three witches. Next slide. Supernatural. The witches are the main representation. This is achieved through their action, Hecate, and the prophecies. Lady Macbeth calls one of the supernatural forces the appearance of ghostly figures. The ghost, daggers, and the witches are three good examples of supernatural elements in Macbeth. Fair is fall and fall is fair. This is a quote from the play that is said by the witches in Act 1, Scene 1. Macbeth's character. When we are introduced to Macbeth, he is a noble and strong character. Macbeth's valor is battle is clever, however, the description of him in battle show his ability, his cruelty and killing. His reaction to the witches' prophecy show Macbeth's desire to become a king. It is clear, however, that Macbeth does have reservation about murder for his own progression. The vision of the dagger clearly show Macbeth's trouble in mind. The voices that Macbeth hears after the death of Duncan shows Macbeth trouble in mind. This vision continues after the death of Banquo, showing more of Macbeth's quit. Next slide. Lady Macbeth. When we meet Lady Macbeth, we see her ambition to become queen. She clearly sees weaknesses in Macbeth and strives to combat them. Lady Macbeth calls on the spirit of evil for help. She advises her husband to deceive King Duncan. She plays on Macbeth's manhood to achieve her goals. Macbeth remarks to Lady Macbeth mainly qualities. Has someone control over Macbeth during the banquet scene, but not much. Uh, Lady Macbeth disappears as she suffers mentally for the deeds she has been involved in. Thank you. Next slide. Okay.